Want to go viral with AI art? Then this video is for you. Today, we're revealing the top AI tools and smart hacks to take your creativity to the next level. The first hack is prompt engineering. The smarter your prompt, the more stunning your result. Use descriptive adjectives, angles, and lighting keywords. DALL 3 allows you to erase parts of an image and add new elements. No Photoshop needed. In Midjourney, use style, aspect ratio, and chaos settings. For example, style raw, aspect ratio 16:9, chaos 40. These tweak the final look of your artwork. Leonardo AI gives you free commercial use images. Perfect for content creators and freelancers, smart creators combine tools. Create art in Midjourney, remove background in Canva AI, and add final elements using Bing Image Creator. Finish your image with AI upscalers like Let's Enhance or Upscale.media. They boost resolution without losing quality. AI art isn't just fun, it's a powerful creative tool. Use these hacks to create viral-level artwork in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to Rapid Tech Bites for more smart tutorials.